If you're planning to study in New York in 2026, this is something you don't want to miss. Because New York is not just one of the most exciting places in the world, it's also home to some of the best universities in the United States. But here's the problem. With so many options, it's hard to know which schools are actually worth it. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 20 universities in New York in 2026, what they're known for, and how to choose the right one for you. Let's get started. First up, we have Columbia University. This is one of the most prestigious universities in the world. If you're aiming for top-tier education in business, journalism, or international relations, Columbia is definitely at the top of the list. Next is New York University, also known as NYU. This school is right in the heart of Manhattan and is perfect if you're into film, business, or law. It's modern, global, and full of opportunities. Now let's talk about Cornell University. Even though it's not an NYC, it's still one of the best in the state. Cornell is especially strong in engineering, hospitality, and tech-related fields. Moving on, we have Fordham University. This is a great option if you want a balance between strong academics and a more traditional campus experience in New York. Next is Stony Brook University, one of the top public universities, especially known for science, medicine, and research. Then we have University at Buffalo, a solid choice if you're looking for strong programs in engineering and business at a more affordable cost. Next up is Binghamton University, often ranked among the best public schools in the state, especially for business and liberal arts. Now let's look at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. If you're into engineering or technology, this is one of the best options you can choose. Then there's Rochester Institute of Technology, also known as RIT, great for tech, design, and hands-on learning experiences. Next is Syracuse University. This one is very popular for communications, journalism, and sports-related careers. Now we move to the new school, perfect for creative students interested in design, arts, and social sciences. Speaking of creativity, we also have Pratt Institute, one of the best choices if you're serious about architecture or fine arts. Next is Pace University, known for career-focused programs, especially in business and performing arts. Now let's talk about Baruch College. If you're interested in finance, accounting, or business, this is one of the best value options in NYC. Then we have Hunter College, a strong choice for health sciences, education, and liberal arts. Next is Queens College, great for a well-rounded education in arts and sciences. Now let's include University at Albany. This school stands out in public affairs, law, and political science. Then we have Hofstra University, a great option for law, business, and communications programs. Next is Adelphi University, well known for nursing, psychology, and business. And finally, Ithaca College, a top pick for media, communications, and performing arts. So there you have it, 20 of the best universities in New York in 2026. Now here's the truth. There is no single best university for everyone. The right choice depends on your goals, your budget, and the kind of experience you're looking for. Some schools are better for networking, others for research, and others for hands-on learning. So take your time, do your research, and choose what fits you best. And if this helped you, let me know. Which university are you thinking about applying to?